Are you struggling with rogue page breaks that are messing up your Word documents layout? Don't worry, because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily delete those unwanted page breaks and regain control of your content. First, let's reveal those hidden characters. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, then look for the Show Hide Y button, which looks like a backwards B. Click on it. Now you can see all the paragraph marks, spaces, and, most importantly, the page breaks in your document. These are indicated by a dotted line with the words page break. To delete a page break, simply position your cursor immediately to the left of the page break line you want to remove. Now, press the delete key on your keyboard. And just like that, the page break is gone. The text will now flow seamlessly from the previous page to the next. Alternatively, you can select the entire page break line, either by clicking and dragging your mouse across it, or by double-clicking in the left margin next to the page break line. Once selected, press the delete key to remove it. If you're done editing and want to hide the paragraph marks and other symbols again, just click the Show Hide Y button one more time to toggle it off. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily remove unwanted page breaks and keep your Word documents looking clean and professional. Happy editing!